Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to check out Be My Lover by Jong Kook and Ateez. Ateez, they have been so busy this year. Like, they have done collaborations, promotions with like different, like Pentatonics. They're about to do a collaboration with Pentatonics, and I'm super excited for it. But you know, right now, this video, Jong Kook, I don't even know what to expect out of it, but it looks like another summery hit, and with Jong Kook's voice in there, like, it's just gonna blow it out the water as well. I haven't even gotten over their Japanese song that just came out too. So there's just, you know, they've been so busy, right? They've had comebacks, they have dramas, they have the Pepsi commercial, they had the Japanese. There's just so much. But I'm so glad to be in Atiny because we are being fed like crazy with content, and I love it. I've also pre-ordered this mini album, right? This mini album, and it should be coming in. To be honest, I'm not sure when it's coming in, but when it does come in, I'm gonna do an unboxing and do a whole mini album listening, even though there's like 3 songs on there. So yeah, so let's just get cracking because I am like days late to this video, and I've been holding out because, you know, I've been doing my videos Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right? And so this came out like on I think it came out like on Sunday, and I was like, after I made all my videos, I was like, so yeah, had to wait until now, and let's just crack at it. We'll get started in 3, 2, 1.
있잖아, 내가 널 사랑하나 봐.
Oh.
말 못했지만 가슴 한켠에 담아둔 말.
Man, his voice, whoa. Ooh, I really like how it's going. Oh, I love their attire here, the blue and white. Wait, I think I just saw Mingi. Yes. I'm already like hyped just because I saw Mingi. I love the saxophone going in the background too. Seeing them is like looking into a bright light, like they're just like blinding with, they're all just glowing. Sian's hair, y'all see that? Looks dope. Ooh, I like this beat change here. I see Seonghwa still kept some of the rap role. Man, he is so buff, but his voice sounds a lot softer than his body does. This dance is it's so cute. It goes well with the song. Oh, that's cool. San would do like a spin into a. His voice is so nice, but his body seems so like, I still can't get over it. Yes. Yes. Hit that high note. That's such a nice song. It's like it feels like a 90s pop song, and that's not a bad thing. Like with the saxophone going through and ripping it throughout the whole song, like it just adds a nice atmosphere to it. And with Kim Jong Kook's voice, I'm still blown away because of how soft, angelic, yet powerful his voice is. If you were to listen to his voice, you never would really think this big buff man is singing that. But that's really awesome though. I really like that they collaborated because ever since Nero Cat, like you thought, I thought that was the last time I would have seen them in their music video, but now it's like a full-blown collaboration, and that's awesome. Super awesome. Super stoked. Ateez bit. And I just want to say, when I first got into Ateez as my alt group, they were just starting off with like Say My Name, Holla Holla, and like I checked out the Korean stores trying to look for their albums and everything. Like I had a hard time finding like merch, but nowadays, like I'm glad that they have gone to the heights that they are now. Like they are like I can find them in any K-pop store now, and big round of applause because Mingi's back, and they're about to do another collaboration with Pentatonics. Like what, they're like on a roll right now, big roll. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.